Hi everyone, how to fix the Horizon Zero Dawn game keeps crashing on your PC. So guys, the fixing this problem is very easy. You just need to follow the steps. So first thing you need to make sure you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. Once you are done, click on the library. Here you just need to click on the game, click on the gear icon, click on the properties of your Horizon Zero Dawn game. Then just simply click on the updates, and if there is any missing or available update, then you can simply update your game. After that, just close it, and the next thing you need to do, right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager. Now from here you just need to close all the background application that will run in your background, which cause a lot of the bandwidth, lot of the RAM usage or the CPU usage in your background. So this will also cause the problem of the crashing of the game. So you just need to right click on that and task. After that, go to the startup. Here you just need to disable all the application, because when you start your PC, this application start automatically without your permission and run in your background, cause a lot of CPU usage, RAM usage, and a lot of bandwidth usage. So you just need to right click on that and simply disable this application. After that, make sure you don't disable these important application, which is the Realtek ST Audio Manager and the Intel Graphics command. After that, just open up your Horizon Zero Dawn game, click on the gear icon, go to its properties. Now from here, click on the install files, click on the browse option, and now here you will see the its game launcher. So you just need to right click on your Horizon Zero Dawn game launcher, click on the properties. Now here just go to the compatibility. So now from here you just need to make sure these three options are checked. Run the program in compatibility mode, choose it from Windows 8, check the disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. After you check all of these boxes, click on the apply, click on the OK, and then you just need to close it, restart your game, and your problem is fixed. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then the next thing you need to do on your PC is you can just simply go to the Windows setup, hit the update, and if there is any missing or available update of your Windows, then just simply update your Windows. After that, just open up your Steam, click on the gear icon, go to its properties, and then go to the install files. Here you just need to click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, the this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or any missing files of your game, and it can fix them automatically. And guys, after all of these steps, you just need to restart your PC, restart your game, and I hope guys your problem is fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.